What if the next trusted update you install is actually a cyber attack hiding in plain sight? A supply chain attack is when hackers don't hack you first. Instead, they break into someone you already trust and ride that trust straight into your systems. Imagine a delivery van you trust. The logo looks right, the driver looks normal, but all the boxes inside have been poisoned. That's how supply chain attacks work. First, hackers break into a vendor. Then they hide malware inside software updates or hardware. Finally, customers install it, believing it's safe and trusted. We've seen this before. SolarWinds updates silently infected thousands of organizations. Kaseya's remote tool was abused to push ransomware into many businesses at once. Supply chain attacks are scary because they bypass normal security checks, hit many victims at once, and often look completely legitimate. Attackers hide in many places: software updates, third-party plugins and APIs, cloud services, even hardware, firmware, and drivers. Reduce the risk with zero trust, strict vendor permissions, behavior-based monitoring, and a clear inventory of your most critical suppliers. In cybersecurity, trust must be verified. Don't just trust your supply chain, monitor it. Subscribe for more, tech made simple for all.